What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. Thanks for coming back, checking out another product review. Tonight we're going to be going over a company that's not from the States. I've been doing companies in the States the last few times, so this time we're going to do one from Ontario, Canada. This beard company is called Iron Kings, home of the bearded hooligans. Enjoy the intro.
This is the beginning of meditation.
Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys for coming back, checking out another product review. Tonight's review, like I said, is going to be from Canada. I got a couple friends up there. I remember when I was 8 years old, I think. No, I take that back. I was 13 years old. I was just a fat little kid. My family would always go up on a fishing trip. We'd go up to Ontario and actually fish on Lake Ontario. And man, I remember like it was yesterday, the walleyes, the pikes. Man, his pikes were huge. I enjoyed it very much. I remember. But anyway, that's where these products are from. A company's called Iron Kings, and they're a store. They're a gearhead store, as the gentleman explained it. They offer riding gear, motocross gear, men's grooming, men's jewelry, just all kind of stuff. He was sending me a bunch of pictures via Instagram Messenger, and they got some top quality looking gear. I mean, bearded hooligans, bearded AF on the hats, just great quality products that I would definitely wear. But he sent me 2 oils, a balm, and a piece of jewelry. But you know the drill. Before we get into the review, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and you might as well, while you're at it, hit that notification bell. Get all the future uploads that I put out. So as I was saying, he sent me 2 oils, a balm, and a piece of jewelry. We'll go over the single oil first. The first oil is going to be a sandalwood bourbon. I don't know if it's just a coincidence, because I know I didn't tell him sandalwood and bourbon were basically 2 of my favorite types of scents. But these are really cool bottles. Standard dropper tops. They got the little lips. I like these bottles because you can grip them. You can grip them. Really cool labeling. They got all the ingredients on the side. The ingredients in these are grapeseed oil, coconut oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, rosemary leaf extract. And he's also got these in the scientific names as well. I don't know if you guys can see that. And if you know what sandalwood and bourbon smell like, this is a really crisp sandalwood bourbon. Oh man, I can never get sick of that scent. Man. And of course, if you guys are familiar, then that's exactly what it smells like. It's got a slight gold tint to it. And these products go really well in the beard. They make it really fluffy, I'll say. The scent profile don't last as long as I would like it to. These ones on these products, it was about 6.5 hours. Especially the sandalwood bourbon. He made it, or they made it, I should say, not too strong, but just enough to where it doesn't give you a headache, but it's not underpowering. Oh man, like I said, I can never get sick of that scent. Overall quality, like I said, there's barely any residual oil left over when you rub it in your beard. No greasy feeling. Just a really overall good product. I love doing the products that I like, that started it all for me, like the sandalwood bourbon. You wouldn't have known it. Like I used to never like that kind. Like sandalwood was always good to me, but the bourbon never really enjoyed, I'll say. But I've learned to really enjoy these scent profiles. That was the sandalwood bourbon, and like I said, the overall scent is awesome. but I wish it would have just lasted a little bit longer. And that was the sandalwood bourbon, of course. And the combo he sent me was the tobacco vanilla. And again, same bottle. Sweet ass labels. I really, really like the labels. And the ingredients are obviously the same. And on the other side, it's in French. It's in French. If you guys can see that, that's pretty cool. It has got directions how to use. Rub a few drops into your beard on a daily basis to help your beard feel soft and healthy, which it definitely does. And the tobacco vanilla, that's like on my top list. And I used a bunch of this stuff. The tobacco is a really, really sweet scented tobacco. And again, the consistency, got a gold tint to it. And medium consistency. Hope you guys can see that. This is another one I cannot get enough of. If I had it up to me, and I know it wouldn't be bad, I would add that stuff to my beard like every few hours just to keep it strong. This one is definitely stronger than the sandalwood bourbon. But again, it goes great in my beard. It makes it real nice and fluffy, soft. Just another one of those quality products. And that was the tobacco vanilla oil. The balm, it's a 2-ounce balm. The ingredients, it's really hard to read. Grapeseed oil, coconut oil, yellow beeswax, shea butter, argan oil, jojoba oil, fragrance, vitamin E, rosemary leaf extract. And their website, or you can get them on Instagram, it's at Iron King Motorsport. It's premium made in Canada. And the consistency, again, a buttery smooth beard balm. And you just barely put any pressure and it just starts smashing in. And like I said, I cannot get enough of this this balm. It smells so good. And just instantly emulsifies. Oh my goodness. Oh, the one company I did, drop my mic. The one company I did, they sent me I think it was a tobacco vanilla. It was like a cologne bar. I still got some of that. I like baby that stuff. I love the smell of the tobacco and the vanilla, combined. And this is a medium hold. I use a half a fingernail full, and it gets me through my work day, which is 10 hours. And it's a medium hold, like I said. Again, I don't have my beard feeling all wiry or anything like that. It held it in place really nice, but it wasn't too stiff to where your whole beard moves with your body, so to speak. And last but not least, I got this, and I shook it, and I didn't know what it was. I wasn't even thinking that they sell jewelry, So I popped it open, and it was pretty cool. He sent me a necklace that is a little beard comb. Check that out. How cool is that? And stuff like this, when the company send, it means a lot. It's just a little touch of little touch of something, but they don't have to do this type of stuff. Especially to us reviewers. I'm thankful that the reviewers have been so humbling. They've continued to humble me. I'm hoping I've made them happy. So far, so good. I haven't got negative feedback from any companies that I've did reviews on, and I'm very thankful for that. I'm very honest with my reviews, and if you all know me, if there's a problem, if you have a problem, I encourage you to message me, because I'd rather talk than sit there and listen to, this person say he said, she said. That's high school stuff, guys. We're adults here, But anyway, yeah, I thought that was pretty cool, and it actually works. Obviously, it's not gonna work real well, but you can use it as like a little mustache comb. Pretty neat. Thank you for that. But like I said, this company is called the Iron Kings. They're out of Ontario, Canada. They got motocross gear, clothing, men's jewelry, men's grooming. They got it all. Really good owner. I didn't get his name. We speak pretty much every few days. Thank you for sending me these products. I appreciate it. And this little necklace is going right on my rear view mirror. Thank you guys for sticking around for another product review. Before I do go, if I ran out of these products, would I go back out and buy them? Yes, I would. I would definitely. The feeling in beard, especially from the oils, they fluffy soft. That's the only way I can, that's the only way I could. That's the only way I could describe it, is fluffy soft. The balm holds up. It works good. It gives me a nice medium hold. And him throwing the little necklace in, that was a good touch. That was a nice touch. Definitely a 5-star on the scent scale. Some of my favorite scented oils, of course, vanilla tobacco being my top. But again, thank you guys for being so humbling to me. Thank you for all the support, all the love, all the respect. If you guys got any questions, please comment below. Hit me up in the DM. Let me know if something's on your mind. If you get a question about these products, please don't be shy. I'll answer whatever you need. I'll leave all of Iron King's Beard Company products. I'll leave all their information in the description box below. Get you some Canadian goodness, guys. Till the next one, peace.